how did you manage the finances? Because it's a larger investment.
Took a pause from financial wisdom, and I thought, okay, let's be vulnerable for this duration. When you start doing yoga, the things that you would have taken 8 hours to do or whatever, you could do it in 4 hours. So that's personal experience that I had even during the job that I just left. That's a big performance booster, I would say, because if you're able to manage yourself well, then regarding the financial planning, one thing is that out of many programs that Isha offers, Hatha Yoga Teacher is one program that you can monetize after the training. Okay, so that is one possibility. So even if I go back and I do a job, parallelly I can teach, and the finances might not be affected so much. The other thing is being a full-time Hatha Yoga teacher, which is something more desirable for me. But from whatever I've understood, it might take more time, but I'm willing to take the risk. I mean that, so initially I was more in the zone that once I start earning, I'll just start paying off my loan first. Like priority one would be getting rid of the loan, because that's the wisdom. That is the wisdom, financial wisdom. But I took a pause from financial wisdom, and I thought, okay, let's be vulnerable for this duration. Something will happen, because the loan duration is also like 7 years. So I think 7 years is a long period to pay off. And also the other thing is that the master's degree that I just did, it would be fresh enough. So even if I go back to the market, it won't be that bad. Like the prospects won't be that bad that I might not get a new job. So these are the type of calculations that I have done, but I don't know how it will work out eventually.
I want to add to that you're doing these practices also to enhance yourself in many ways. So not just spiritually, but mentally and in your body.
True.
So the way that you will do your job, how you will perform, how your focus will be, attention, all of it will help you to rise in terms of performance at your job. So even if you go back to your job, it will help you a lot.
Exactly. I think what you said is so bang on, because if I may pull out from my work experience, after being inner engineered and doing regular Hatha Yoga practices, one thing that I've observed is that I don't experience fatigue by the end of the day. Even if it's been a busy day wherein I have sat on my laptop from 10 o'clock and since till 6 or 7 o'clock, I'm just on doing something. I don't feel that fatigue in the sense that there is no so what I've observed is that with friends, by the end of the day, they are going in a mode where they are finding entertainment. Like, okay, give me some entertainment. Let me do some Netflix. They want to take their mind off things. Okay. The way yoga helps is you're already having a distance with your thoughts and, those aspects. So you don't need that escape options that, okay, what should I do now that the work is over? I need some me time. I don't need my me time. So that's a great thing. Like that's a big performance booster, I would say, because if you're able to manage yourself well, then getting the work done and all, it's not that, it can't be that tough. Like you definitely feel better organized mentally. As even Sadhguru says that when you start doing yoga, the things that you would have taken 8 hours to do or whatever, you could do it in 4 hours. So that's personal experience that I had even during the job that I just left.